How to make windows look like macOS. First, select a wallpaper and change. To do this, go to the Freepik website and select this type of wallpaper. I already downloaded it. Let's set it as wallpaper. To do this, right-click on the image and click on Set as Desktop Background. After that, go to the mega.nz link to download macOS dock. Extract .rar file and open the folder. Double-click and run dock based on your system type. My computer is 6-bit, so I run dock 64. Now, you can see bottom drawer and top menu bar like macOS. Now, we need to hide Windows taskbar. Right-click on taskbar and go to taskbar settings. Scroll down to the bottom and go to taskbar behaviors. Now check on automatically hide the taskbar. If you need permanently hide taskbar, right-click on bottom drawer and click on hide taskbar. Let's make a few customizations. Again, right-click on drawer and go to preferences. Go to General tab and scroll down. Click on Start on Boot Method menu. Select last option. Click on Yes button to activate it. Now go to Appearance tab and scroll down. Click on Icon Theme and select OS X. It will change this icon to Apple icon. Now go to the Launchpad menu. Click on this menu and select last option. Click on this confirmation. Now you can access Launchpad from the bottom drawer. And also the Stage Manager from the top right menu bar. It will show opened applications. Now download Rainmeter. Click on this download button to get latest release. Install it like a normal installation. The desktop shows some widgets after it has been run. Right-click on one by one and unload it. After that, go to the next row to download Rainmeter theme. After the download, right-click on it and open it in Rainmeter. Now install it. After the installation is done, it automatically opens the theme settings. You can place this clock in the top middle of the screen. It is also possible to change the time format, color, etc. Now, unload other unnecessary widgets. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.